Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to episode number 158 of Trading Talk. This is a really exciting episode where we take a look at one of the brand new features on the TradeView X platform. We'll have a look at TradeView's Optimising engine. Now with the Optimising engine, you're able to optimise your strategies to find the best parameters that you can use for your trading models, and we'll show you exactly how to use it. It has many more features that you will not find in any other optimizing engine. So it's going to be really exciting to take a look in this episode. Now, students of our advanced program already have access to this, so they're testing out the optimizing engine and they're giving us some feedback, and it's going to be ready very soon for all traders who have the TradeView X platform. So stay tuned, and if you'd like to get early access to new features such as the optimizing engine, then you can also join our advanced program. If you want some more details on that, then please contact us on the trading desk. Now look, in Melbourne we have lockdown at the moment, so I wanted to take this opportunity to encourage all traders out there not to wait until the next pandemic to try and take their trading to the next level. We're getting calls every day from people out there who want to improve their trading because they're starting to realise that they might not have a job to go back to, and they're trying to find other ways to make money, such as the financial markets. Now, if you want to do that, obviously it's very important that you know how to trade so that you can take advantage of these markets. So don't wait until the next pandemic or lockdown to start working on your trading. You need to start doing it now. So that means doing one of the programs, or if you're already doing one of the programs, coming to the Algo Trading Conference, for example, where we have 3 of the world's best traders showing you some of the strategies that they trade. And by coming to the conference, what will happen is you're going to get ideas that you won't be able to think about yourself. And those ideas are really going to take your trading to the next level a lot quicker than trying to do it by yourself. So as you know, this year we've got Bob Pardo, who's the inventor of Wolford analysis. We've got independent systematic trader Rob Carver presenting there. And we've also got Laurent Bernoux, who's a known short seller. Probably going to be very handy in these markets, although his model is going to be both long and short. So if you haven't got a ticket to this year's Algo Trading Conference, make sure you get one ASAP to really take your trading to that next level. Some people who are taking their trading to another level are people who are in the International Trading Championship, especially the guys and girls at the top. At the moment we have Mahesh, who is on about 210%, and this is the last day of the second sprint in the International Trading Championship, so there's a good chance that he is going to take out that second sprint. But can he hang on to win the marathon? Only time will tell. The winner of the marathon will take home a $10,000 Go Market live trading account, as well as a ticket to the Algo Trading Conference. So some fantastic prizes there. Make sure you get involved. That's all from me for now. I really hope you enjoy this episode and the optimizing engine. And until next week, all the best with your trading.